guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? I made my favorite noodle dish. Not gonna lie, I have not made this in such a long time. I think I haven't had this in like 3 weeks, which is crazy for me because I used to eat this almost every single day. But it is the Indonesian fried noodles. Please pick some up for yourselves. They're the best things ever. As you guys know, the last few days for me, I haven't really been vlogging. I just haven't been in the mood. I needed to take a break from my own mental health. As you guys know, I'm not even sure if I posted my last vlog, but Matt and I just got in like a little tiff, no pun intended. I think being as raw and real with you guys as I can be, I have to be honest and say that we do get in arguments and we do get in little disagreements and fights and things like that. And at the end of the day, we still love each other and we're still gonna be with each other. But I just like could not get into vlogging. But this morning I woke up and it felt amazing and I'm excited for today. So I'm gonna take my vitamins and eat some freaking noodles. P.S. I've been taking the Ritual vitamins. These are the only vitamins I brought along with me and I really, really like them. Not sponsored at all, but I do think I have like a discount code for like 10% off Ritual. So go check it out. I'll have like a link down below for you guys. I feel like I don't eat pretty. I wish I was like one of those like mukbangers that ate very cutely. I don't know why, but I just can't eat pretty to save my life. Cheers. I can't do it. Wow. Why have I not been eating this? It is so good. Matt and I are actually gonna go to the store today. We're gonna go shopping. Matt is filming a music video really soon and he wants me to help him pick out some outfits. And I do wanna buy maybe a thicker jacket or coat. So many of you guys have been hating on me that I do not have a thick ass coat in Colorado. I need to stop wearing crop tops, but literally that's all I have. But I am wearing like 3 layers. So I'm wearing this crop top with this cardigan and then like a jean jacket over. I think it's actually pretty warm today, considering what it's been like the last few days. It's been like 4 degrees the last few days, or -4 degrees. And I know everyone in the US is kind of experiencing a winter storm right now. But today in Denver, Colorado, we are in 45, babe, it's 45 degrees. Wait, that's such a nice day. I tried out a new hairstyle today. I don't know, I'm in a really talkative mood today, so I'm talking a lot, but I tried out a new hairstyle today and I kind of dig it. Like I really kind of like it. I feel like I look more mature and older. But we're also gonna go to CVS today and pick up some Plan B. Yeah, we need to do that. And it's not for the reason you guys think. But I'll tell you guys all about that later. That was such a good meal, guys. Oh my god. So Matt and I are gonna head out now. I'm wearing these shoes for the first time. We'll see how it goes, but these are pretty high boots. But it's been snowing the last couple of days in Colorado, and I just definitely need some shoes that will not make my feet cold. And these are made out of like faux leather. Holy cow, those are crazy ass shoes. Alright, we're headed to CVS right now. We gotta get some Plan B and some Aftera. Oh my god, it's 45 degrees. It feels not cold, but it's still a little chilly.
You're not wearing a jacket. I thought you were gonna put a jacket on. What?
This is a jacket, a jean jacket.
That's not a jacket. That's a overlay. That's like just a layer.
Well, I have 3 layers. This,
yeah, then why are you still cold?
Because I'm a baby.
Because you're not wearing a jacket. Case solved.
Made it to CVS. People are definitely staring at me right now. It's okay. All right, let's try to find this. I also want to get some candy. Candy and Plan B. What? Where is it?
Alright.
We got the goods. It's actually crazy how easy it is to buy Plan B, because when I was in college, guys, buying Plan B was not an easy task. You had to go ask the guy over the counter at the pharmacy, and they always gave you like weird looks. And this time around, all I did was I just grabbed it on the shelf.
We're also in Colorado, baby.
What do you mean? Everyone doesn't judge people in Colorado?
Well, actually, I guess it would be opposite.
But did not feel judged at all. So I got myself Plan B. So you guys are probably wondering why I have Plan B and I'm buying Plan B. I am actually working with Plan B, Aftera, and CVS, my campaign, and I actually think it's amazing that they wanted to work with me, and that I feel like people should be more aware of the fact that you can purchase Plan B without a prescription or without talking to the pharmacist. I just want everyone to be more aware of that fact, and I feel like a lot of people don't know that, and including myself. I didn't find out till pretty recently that you can just purchase Plan B, and it's been this way for like the last like 6 years. Fun fact, if you guys have never taken Plan B, and it's something I have taken, and I don't think people should be scared about talking about it, because if you are being safe and, you know, what's the right word? Not safe, not like being like an responsible. Yeah, when you're being responsible and taking charge of your own like body, I think that's really healthy and amazing. So if you guys ever accidentally have unprotected sex, the condom breaks, you forget to take your pills, Plan B is the best way to kind of prevent unwanted pregnancy. It's not an abortion pill, by the way. I feel like everyone thinks it's an abortion pill as if like it'll like abort the baby. No, that's not the case at all. But you can take this up to 3 days after you have an accident. I've taken this probably 2 or 3 times my entire life. I feel like at least 1 out of 4 women have taken Plan B before. I could be completely wrong, but in my opinion, I feel like that's very common. I just want you guys to be aware of it, and I also don't want there to be any stigmas or taboos behind taking Plan B. And today's video is not sponsored by Plan B or CVS, by the way. Real girl shit. It is $50, so it's definitely not something you can pop in every day or every time you have sex. You definitely need to be on birth control or at least use condoms. Look at this cutie.
Stop it.
You're so hot. It's stupid.
Get out of here.
No matter how mad at him, I'm still so in love with your little face. We're at Sephora. We're supposed to be buying stuff for Matt. Clearly we're not. I'm looking at Fenty right now. I asked for some good lip liners because I feel like mine has been feathering and not lasting. And she suggested Makeup Forever's or Charlotte Tilbury's. So I think I'm gonna do both. Thank you so much. Yay. Alright, we're at Zara now. This coat is on sale for $70. I would rather have a different color, but it kind of looks super nice and warm. Oh, this one's nice. Like this one?
That is badass. Walk towards me.
This one's a maybe. This is the next jacket we're trying on.
That is so cute.
Oh my god, this one is so warm.
It looks so good on you, especially in that fit.
Thank you so much. Somebody went shopping. Somehow we ended up at the Tesla store, just sitting in the Tesla. I honestly think I want a Model S, but they actually don't have a Model S here. It's just the Model Y and the Model 3. The screen is massive. You can literally play like movies in here. It's crazy. What do you think?
I love it. It's really cool. You should get one.
Oh look, those are all the colors right there. Okay, I definitely want a white, but the red is kind of nice. And I would definitely want beige interiors. I think the white's too white. Thank you. Hey guys, so we are back in the car. I definitely bought way more than I was expecting. I thought I was just gonna help Matt pick out some cute outfits for his music video, and then I ended up buying so much. I bought these pants from Aritzia. They're like the famous TikTok pants, like the leather pants, and I didn't know they were viral on TikTok. I had just been wanting them for like 4 months now, and the girl was like, yeah, they're sold out all the time because they're from TikTok. And I was like, that makes so much sense. I freaking hate TikTok. They didn't have my size in the cropped versions, and I'm definitely really short, so I have to get them hemmed. I did have a gift card at Aritzia, so it didn't feel like I was spending money because it was a gift card, which covered most of the pants, which was really nice. Hey guys, it's currently 6:30 p.m. right now. Matt and I got back about an hour and a half ago, and I spent the last hour and a half watching Bachelor. I cannot believe they are down to the top 4. There's so much drama in this season's Bachelor, and I feel like the girls just are not that nice this year. I think Serena P might be like the only nice girl, and Brie. Actually, there's like a handful of nice girls, and everyone else is kind of just a mean girl on this season. But either way, Matt and I are gonna go to dinner later tonight. I actually have dinner plans for us. We're gonna go to a Viet restaurant in Denver. It's called Anise. I'm really excited for it because I have not had Viet food in such a long time. Like, I cannot remember the last time I went to a Viet restaurant. So I'm actually so freaking excited, and hopefully Matt likes it. But before we get to go, I wanted to clean up kind of some of the messes that I made in this house. I haven't made too much of a mess, but I have a lot of stuff hanging around over here. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, so we're just gonna clean that little baby up. I have about half an hour. I'm like looking at my wrist as if I have a watch. I don't have a watch, but we're gonna leave in about half an hour. No, what are they? Salted
Dark chocolate
caramel.
salted caramel cashews.
This is massive. Look how big these babies are. What?
You like massive nuts?
I love massive nuts. No, I like cute little naked nuts. That's pretty good. That's actually more than pretty good. That's freaking good. so I cleaned the place a little bit. Everything looks nice and clean. We're on our way to get Viet food. Woo! Oh, yum. This looks so good.
So what are these sauces? You have to tell me, my little Viet queen.
This is for the wings. I'm sure you can try it with anything. And then this is fish sauce base, and I love fish sauce. You guys have to see these chicken wings. Oh, and the daikon, I love daikon. I'm so excited for this food. I'm so happy because Matt's loving his food, and I love when he loves his food. This place is bomb.
You might have to come back for
We
these
are
spring rolls.
definitely coming back. Seeing you so happy is making me so happy.
Only at Viet food.
What would you rate this out of 5?
I would give this a good like 4 out of 5.
I mean, I love my spring rolls. I haven't tried my pho yet. I'd say 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 is like the best thing I've ever had though. Bestiest 5 out of 5.
All right, first bite. Cheers, guys.
She gave it a 5 out of 5 before eating her entree. That's ballsy.
Every time I have pho, I have to put so much like sriracha and sauce in it, so definitely need to put more in here, but it's pretty good. I'd say it's like a 3 out of 5 right now for this pho. Hey guys, Matt and I just got home. We stopped by Safeway and Matt grabbed some LaCroix and some mayo. But I just wanted to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I feel a lot better today than I have been the last few days. And the question of the day today comes from, I don't know how to pronounce this. I am so sorry I'm butchering this. Yashika Andrade. And her question for the day is, what's your favorite cuisine? Honestly, my favorite cuisine, I feel like top 3 would be Japanese food, Thai food, and Indian food. And then, but I also love Italian food and American food and Viet food. I pretty much like food, just food. So I want to know what your guys' favorite cuisine is. Also, if you guys want to be a part of the next question of the day, leave me some questions down below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video for another daily vlog. Bye, guys.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.